Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy, Accord YouTube channel for GATE and DSC. This is your KP sir live on YouTube channel. Before going to start today's session, I would like to introduce myself, Krishna Prakash. Students love to call me EE sir. I was very much famous for environmental engineering. So students love to call me EE sir or KP sir. Have 16 years of teaching experience. Trained more than 150 batches for GATE, ESC and also state government AE A-double exams. And I am the ex-faculty of ACE Academy. Now star educator in Unacademy and leading English teaching faculty of civil engineering group. So I will take care everything regarding your scheduling, subjects. I will take care about your preparation. And in Unacademy, I am going to teach the subjects environmental engineering, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, construction materials and management. I am famous for simplifying the subjects and I will provide you shortcut formulas which can be solved in the GATE exam in 1 minute or less than 1 minute time duration. And the vast and lengthy theoretical subjects, I will make it easy for you by providing tables, by providing flowcharts, some diagrammatic representation, so that huge theory easily understand for you. I am famous for monitoring, mentoring student preparation, best motivator. So if you want, I will provide you best strategy according to your strengths and weakness. So follow me in Unacademy and watch my free lectures. Check my profile KP Civil. Watch all free classes. If you want to take plus subscription, join Unacademy with my code KP Civil. Anything related to your academics, your career, your subject related doubts, preparation related doubts, anything, contact me, WhatsApp me. My mobile number given there 8985931212. And if you want to take full length course on Unacademy, use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. Okay, let's begin the session. Now coming to the today's topic. The today's session is related to discussion on fluorides in water. Fluoride is most important element to be present and at the same time not to be present in water. It is a double-edged sword. One end it is beneficial, another end it is harmful. So fluoride presence is important. At the same time excess presence of fluoride also will be harmful. So we have to ensure exactly required quantity of fluorides in water. Regarding that fluorides we are discussing today. So fluorides origin most regularly found in fluorides origin or source. The availability or presence of fluorides in excess quantities we can identify in groundwater samples or water extracted from subsoil strata. Subsoil strata or rock strata, rich source of fluoride content. Rock strata, they enter into water in the form of either NaF sodium fluoride or CaF2 calcium fluoride, and so resulted release of sodium or calcium ions into water. Along with that, fluoride ions, F minus. Fluoride, the ionic form of fluorine. Fluoride, we consider it as ionic form of fluorine, F minus. Ionic form of fluorine, F minus, present in water, that is called fluoride. So excess quantities of fluorides we are identifying through groundwater sample, subsoil strata or rock strata. Estimation. How you can estimate fluorides in water? Fluorides in water is estimated through zirconium spades. To the water sample, you add zirconium spades. The zirconium spades react with fluoride content in water. Then it forms, it resulted. If water contain fluorides, zirconium reacts with water, forms zirconium fluoride. And then analysis of this zirconium fluoride in water, that is carried out through using the instrument colorimeter. And the procedure is called colorimetry. Depending upon intensity of the color, mostly it forms yellow color. Depending upon the intensity of color formed, using colorimetry, concentration of fluorides in water is estimated. Just you remember, zirconium spades. Zirconium spades are the chemicals used to estimate, followed by colorimetry technique using the instrument colorimeter. Concentration of fluorides in water is estimated. Okay. Then after you came to know fluorides in water are estimated, how much amount is present? The most desirable limit of fluorides. Desirable. What is the meaning of desirable? Required, must, needed. This much amount of fluoride must be present in water, compulsory for good human health condition. Fluoride's concentration to be present is 1 milligram per liter. Must, required quantity. If by chance fluoride concentration is less than 1 milligram per liter, what happened? Fluoride concentration less than 1 milligram per liter. Now the condition is called deficit of fluorides. Deficit of fluorides causes. What causes in water? Immediately you say fluorosis. Very important point you remember here. Fluorosis is the effect caused due to excess fluorides. More fluorides in water is going to cause fluorosis. We are now talking about deficit of fluorides. This is the confusion in competitive exams. The question is provided deficit of fluorides in water, and option A carries fluorosis. We blindly go through that option A and answer fluorosis. But remember, fluorosis is the method caused due to excess fluorides in water, not because of deficit of fluorides. Deficit of fluorides will cause. So this deficit of fluorides causes. What it causes? Dental caries. Dental cavities in kids. Deficit of fluorides are causing dental cavities. Cavitation problem. We call it as technically dental caries in children, in kids, children. Clear? Fluorides minimum required, at least minimum to be present in water is 1 mg per liter. Lesser concentration of fluorides in water, less than 1 milligram per liter, causes dental cavities, dental caries in children. Then what is the remedy? What is the remedy treatment? Remember, we are talking about treatment remedy for deficit of fluorides, not for dental cavities. Your dental cavity problem was taken care by doctor, not water supply engineer. We are discussing about water treatment. Here we are discussing about water treatment to overcome the problem of deficit of fluorides. Water treatment to overcome the problem of deficit of fluorides, that is called fluoridization or fluoridation. Fluoridization or fluoridation. Fluoridization is the phenomena of process of. What is fluoridization? The process of addition of required fluorine. Process of addition of required fluorine as process of addition of required fluorine as, very important, directly you are not adding as fluorine, you are adding fluorine in the form of as sodium fluoride, NaF. Addition of fluorine in the form of sodium fluoride, NaF, that is called fluoridization, process of addition. Clear? So desirable limit 1, less than 1 leads to dental cavities. Water to overcome the problem, you perform fluoridization so that NaF, sodium fluoride, is added, so that you will get a desirable limit of fluorides. Then permissible limit. So required is 1. Can you accept any maximum limit? Okay, you can add 2 milligram, 3 milligram, 4 milligram. Can you add like that? No, you are not adding like that. Permissible limit is 1 to 1.5 milligram per liter. Highest maximum permissible limit is 1.5 only. Minimum required to be present is 1. Maximum accepted to be present is 1.5. Clear? Exactly equal to 1 required. Up to 1.5 accepted, okay, it is to be present, but not more than 1.5. Fluoride concentration greater than 1.5. Not accepted, considered as a rejectable limit. Fluoride concentration greater than 1.5, not accepted to be present in water, considered as a rejectable limit. And this is condition. This condition is called as excess fluorides in water. This condition is called as excess fluorides in water. What it causes? What are the effects? Effects of excess fluorides. What effects caused due to excess fluorides in water? We consider fluorosis. Fluorosis. This fluorosis, we consider it as skeletal fluorosis. Skeletal fluorosis. And also same applicable for teeth. That is called dental discoloration. Dental discoloration or mottling of teeth What is happening during dental discoloration? Tell me. What is the problem of dental discoloration? Formation of yellow stains on teeth. Formation of yellow stains on teeth. That is called dental discoloration or mottling of teeth. Dental discoloration, formation of yellow stains on teeth, and bones will become very brittle. Breakdown of bones or brittle bones condition will take place. Skeletal fluorosis most dangerous. Bones breakdown or brittle bones condition is dangerous. It is okay, dental discoloration, your teeth look is not good, but it does not cause too much damage, but again it will cause some damage to your teeth. These are the effects in which you need to remember for your exam point of view. Most important, fluorosis. Fluorosis. So remember, minimum required is 1 mg per liter. Less than 1 mg per liter, deficit causes dental cavities. More than 1.5, rejectable, excess, causes fluorosis. It may be skeletal, dental or bone. Skeletal fluorosis is more dangerous. Dental discoloration is formation of yellow stains on the teeth. Brittle bone condition or bone breakdown is going to take place because of excess fluorides in water. Excess fluorides in water. Now, what is the remedy? What is the remedy? Now, excess fluorides in water to be overcome. What is the treatment of water? To overcome the problem of excess fluorides. To overcome the problem of excess fluorides. We can write down ion exchange method, adsorption technique using activated carbon, adsorption technique using activated carbon, or even we can undergo reverse osmosis. I understand your feelings. Whenever I say treatment of water for excess of fluorides, your mind is going to say one more technique. I am coming for the technique. Wait, my dear students. I am coming for it. These three are most expensive methods. Our Indian technique, which is the most economical method, invented by our Indian engineers, Nalgonda technique. This is only your thinking now, because we are habituated to know treatment of fluorine. Immediately we came to answer Nalgonda technique. Most economical method of fluoride treatment. Most economical method. Most economical method for removal of fluorides. Most economical method for removal of fluorides given by NEERI, National Environmental Education and Research Institute, located at Nagpur. This Nalgonda technique was proposed by NEERI Nagpur, National Environmental Education and Research Institute, NEERI Nagpur. Most economical method for defluoridization, because removal of fluoride content from water, we call it now defluoridization. Removal of fluoride content from water, we name it as defluoridization. That most economical method, who invented? Our Indian scientists. from Miri Nagpur invented the technique called the Nalgonda technique. All the remaining three, ion exchange method, adsorption technique, reverse osmosis, all the remaining three expensive methods. Our Indian method, be proud for it. Our Indian method is most economical method, Nalgonda technique. What is this Nalgonda technique? The most economical method of defluoridization carried out by Nalgonda technique. So first water is added with lime or Na2CO3 to make it alkaline. Water is added with lime or Na2CO3 to make it to increase alkalinity. Now into that alkaline water, now we are adding sodium aluminate, filter alum, sodium aluminate, Na2Al2O3. Sodium aluminate, the common name we call it as a filter alum. Chemical formula we can write down Na2Al2O3. Then it is allowed for 20 minutes to undergo what? Flocculation. It is allowed for 20 minutes to undergo the phenomena called flocculation. Meanwhile, if required after flocculation, add bleaching powder, or before flocculation, either after or before flocculation, add bleaching powder. Left the water to undergo for settling, sedimentation. Leave the water to undergo for sedimentation. So what is going on here? Addition of alum we consider as coagulation. Floc is generated, the process we call it as a flocculation. Then we are adding bleaching powder, that is called chlorination. Then we are allowing to settle down the water to undergo sedimentation. After sedimentation, water is given to filters. Filtered water given for human consumption, sent for public. So that water is given, filters are providing water without fluoride content, which is helpful for human consumption. In brief, I will again repeating. Nalgonda technique is most economical method of defluoridization. First, water added with lime or Na2CO3 to increase pH and make alkaline water. To the alkaline water add filter alum, Na2Al2O3 sodium aluminate, bleaching powder. Allow for flocculation, allow for sedimentation, give the water for filtration, rapid sand filters. Then that is purified water, defluorinized water. Fluoride content is absent in that water. Now give the water to public. This is the most economical method invented by Indians. So whatever I have discussed regarding fluorides, the limits, desirable limit 1 mg per liter, deficit of fluoride causes dental cavities, then rejectable limit greater than 1.5 mg per liter, excess fluorides causes fluorosis. Most economical method of defluoridization, Nalgonda technique. These 5 are the previous questions in GATE or ESC or AEAAA. Remember carefully these 5 questions. Okay.
I hope you enjoyed the session. Before going to close the session, a small announcement. Join plus subscription full-length course of GATE and ESC and Unacademy. Trust the best for your GATE and ESC preparation. The faculty in Unacademy are top most faculty. They will give you the best subject, in-depth subject knowledge, and also they have vast experience in teaching, especially GATE and ESE, exam specific teaching. And the platform of Unacademy is the largest online edutech company in India. It provides live interactive classes. Whatever your doubt, if you put in the comment box, easily, immediately your doubt is clarified. Have you downloaded Unacademy app? If not, today download the Unacademy app. In the search button, click KP Civil, follow me, watch my previous sessions and upcoming sessions also. Whatever your doubts easily clarified immediately within 1 minute of your message. You understand? Live interactive sessions. If you take a plus subscription in Unacademy, I will provide from my side free study material. I will provide from my side one free online test series. Unacademy is giving you one test series. Myself will provide you another test series. 2 online test series you will get. And also, if you miss the session, don't worry. Your already completed class is recorded. You can watch twice, thrice, how many number of times you require. That many times. Just for example, I will tell you. I am teaching environmental engineering 140 hours. You can understand the depth of subjects I am providing. The depth of environmental engineering 140 hours, you can write any kind of examination from that 140 hours only. It may be GATE, IAS, AE, AW, whatever the exam you can write. That 140 hours sessions is more than enough. A single solution for any kind of examination. So, join Unacademy, excel your GATE and ESE preparation. Use my code KP Civil or Engineering Guru. Take plus subscription. Get all the benefits. If you have any doubt, any query related to subject point of view, career point of view, preparation strategy point of view, any doubts related to plus subscription, whom to follow, whom not to follow, what to study, what not to study, don't worry, your KPs are with you till you crack GATE and ESE. WhatsApp me, my mobile number is given there, 8985931112. We together grow up. I am with you, my team of faculty with you till you crack GATE and ESE. Then, why to wait? Join plus course in Unacademy using KP Civil code. Let's crack it.